Yo guys, today we're going to be putting some new fresh Burgtec And Ergon parts on my bike, which is going to be absolutely amazing, which obviously I'm not a mechanic, but that's not the point. Alan's going to help me with that. Alan does MTB, go check that channel out.
Yeah.
So we're going to be putting some freshies on there, we'll show you them soon.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy.
Yo guys, so I'm just going to show you all the parts we're going to be using today. Starting with Ergon grips. E1 Evo Slim Ergon grips, absolutely beautiful. Continuing, metallic blue spacers and everything else like that. And the top cup in black, which is nice. And then we've also got one of the best parts, that's the shape. He's gonna see that on the bike. And then the most important part, carbon fiber Burgtec, or however you say it, downhill carbon bars.
I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck. Everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep. Don't give a fuck, can't stop. Unplug, feeling overwhelmed. I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy. Gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it. I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories.
Really my fresh Ergon grips. You just slide right on there, pal.
Thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature.
Yes guys, finally we got the new parts on. Look how fresh that looks. Honestly, I'm stoked and I can't wait to ride this beast. Carbon fiber, Ergon grips, Burgtec, I'm really bad at saying that company's name, but Burgtec stem, spacers, bars, and top cap. That's basically it, which I'm really happy about. And yeah, I can't wait to ride it, so next video you'll see this beauty beast shredded.
And it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird.